Kobe x Nike partnership expands further into lifestyle sneakers, introducing the Air Force 1 Low Light Armory Blue for Holiday 2025. Designed with an iridescent snakeskin-inspired upper, the pair nods to Kobe Bryant's Black Mamba legacy while shimmering overlays enhance its striking aesthetic. Tonal light Armory Blue swooshes, crisp white midsoles, and translucent outsoles balance the bold design. Signature elements such as the mentality lace dubrae and co-branded details on the tongue and insole deepen the tribute to Kobe. By blending premium materials with the timeless Air Force 1 silhouette, Nike bridges Kobe's basketball persona with lifestyle fashion. Available in adult and grade school sizes, the release highlights the enduring cultural influence of Kobe Bryant and ensures his legacy resonates in both performance and lifestyle categories, delivering a fresh, celebratory energy to his ongoing Nike collection during the festive season.